New signs the spread of coronavirus is slowing in the Bay Area's hardest hit county. Good evening, I'm Elizabeth Cook.
And I'm Ken Bastida. We begin with some encouraging news for a Bay Area that has been locked down now for several weeks. We have team coverage on the latest updates from local and state officials. Let's start with Len Ramirez, who's live in San Jose tonight. Hi, Len.
Hi, we had a one-on-one interview today with Dr. Sara Cody about the COVID crisis here in Santa Clara County. She said that everyone who is within listening distance needs to continue to obey the shelter-in-place order because the doctor said it's working.
What we are seeing is that our epidemic is not growing as fast as it had been growing before a shelter-in-place order.
Cautious optimism from Santa Clara County's public health officer, Dr. Sara Cody.
We're not out of the woods, but there's a few little sparkles of optimism.
Santa Clara County had some of the first cases of community spread COVID-19 in the country, and Dr. Cody shouldered the responsibility of calling the first shelter-in-place order in the U.S., a decision that turned sports arenas and shopping malls into ghost towns and threw tens of thousands of people into unemployment. But she said the sacrifices are flattening the curve.
The shelter-in-place order and other actions that we've collectively taken have helped slow things down. And so we don't look like it looks in other places in the country where the infections have grown exponentially. Infections are not growing exponentially here.
But the cases are still growing. Santa Clara County has surpassed 1,200 cases with 42 deaths, 17 new cases reported today, and 3 new deaths. But the key difference is the number of new cases is not surpassing the county's ability to hospitalize and provide the best care for patients.
We have capacity in our hospital beds, in our ICU beds, and with our ventilator supply. However, it's still so important that we each do everything that we can to reduce our contacts with each other so that we continue to slow the spread, so that when one of us needs that ventilator, we'll be able to have access to it.
I asked the doctor if she anticipates lifting the shelter-in-place order anytime soon. She did not give a specific answer on that, but she did say that in places where this has been around the world, you risk a rebound if you lift a shelter-in-place order without some other type of order in place to handle the new cases. So she does not anticipate anyone lifting that shelter-in-place in the 9 Bay Area counties. Reporting live in San Jose, Len Ramirez, KPIX 5.